Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the problem that I posted on Edulastic last Thursday was worded incorrectly, and that was my mistake. I'm going to try to minimize those mistakes as much as I possibly can. So, here's what the problem should actually look like. The scale factor was not 5/8, it was 8/5, because A, being the smaller, was the original, B was the new or the copy, which means our shape is actually getting bigger. And if our shape is getting bigger, our scale factor should be greater than 1, not less than 1. So that was on me. First mistake I made all year. Sorry about that. So we're going to do the problem again, but this way, right? And if I'm you right now, I'm pausing right now and seeing if I can actually get x equals 14 having this scale factor. So hit pause right now. Okay, let's see how we should do this problem. So we go back to our formula to find the missing side of similar shapes. And the formula is going to be original times the scale factor should get us the new side, the new corresponding side, right? We're working with these two sides right here, right? These are corresponding. And we're trying to find the value of x. And we're using the scale factor 8/5. So what my equation should look like should be, this is the original, so 55, times the scale factor, which is 8/5, equals the new side, which is 8x minus 24. Okay, at this point, we'll go back to just solving for x. So it's a simple equation. Even though we have this fraction right here, it's actually simpler than it looks. So we are going to simplify the side that we can simplify. We can't really simplify anything on 8x minus 24 because these are unlike terms. So even if I wrote the order of operations here, right, so that I can simplify, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. Multiplication and division, there's 8 times x, but it's 8x. Addition, subtraction, we can't subtract these two because they're unlike terms. So 8x minus 24 is fully simplified. Now on this side, 55 times 8/5, we can simplify, right? So if I write the order of operations here, parentheses, yeah, I have two sets of parentheses, but I'm not doing anything inside. So that's gone. Exponents, no. Multiplication and division, yeah, I'm multiplying. Multiplying 55 times 8/5. And I can actually multiply 55 times 8/5 and do the side work right here. 55 ones times 8/5, right? 55 times 8, well, we'll do another set of side work. 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44. So we're going to have 440. 1 times 5 is 5, so 445ths. And then we divide. 440 divided by 5. 5 does not go into 4, but 5 goes into 44 8 times, right? 8 times 5 is 40. Bring down that 4. So I'm going to get another 8 right there, right? So it's going to be 88. So I'm going to end up getting 88. Okay, well, let's see how else we can do that right here. I can go 55 divided by 5, and that gets me 11. 11 times 8, well, that's 88. So you do it however you see fit, however works for you, but you should be getting this. 88 equals 8x minus 24. Okay, at this point, we add 24 to both sides. And we should get 8x equals 88 plus 24. Let's see what we get here. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. That's going to give me 11, right? So now we have 8x equals 112. Divide each side by 8. Let's see side work. 112 divided by 8. Okay, 8 goes into 1, none, into 11, ones. 3, bring down the 2, sorry. That's gonna be 14. So x equals 14. Okay, that's just simply following the formula. So you might have had a problem with this on Thursday/Friday when you were working on this because the scale factor was off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload the practice for you guys, and you guys can redo it over. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll have a new video for you guys tomorrow.